Hi friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. Today I want to show you how the Bitcoin Cash has turned bullish from the potential reversal zone of this harmonic pattern, and at this time it is moving in a wedge. And we will also watch this movement of the Bitcoin Cash that it is forming different bats with the continuity and consistently. And we will also watch the different support and resistance levels and the position of the moving averages as well, and the Ichimoku cloud that can lead the price action of Bitcoin Cash very strong bullish. And at the end of this video, I would like to show you this very big bullish garlet pattern that is formed on the monthly chart that can lead the price action very strong bullish. Now let's start the video. First of all, I would like to show you this pattern. This is the bullish shark pattern that is formed on the 4-day time period chart, and I posted this idea on 19th of March when the price action just completed its final leg and entered in the potential reversal zone. This was the initial leg, and after initial leg, the A to B leg was retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci. This was the first confirmation of bullish shark. Then we have seen the projection of B to C leg between 1.13 to 1.618 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. Then the final leg is retraced between 0.886 to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement level. So this was the second confirmation, and this was the third and final confirmation of the bullish shark pattern. And here, as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish shark, I predicted that the price action should take the bullish divergence from here, and it should enter in the projection area of 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of C to D leg. Now I'm playing this chart, and you can see that how perfectly this chart has been driven as per prediction, and we can see that the price action has so far produced more than 56% bullish rally. But I'm expecting more. I will show you how it can produce more powerful bullish rally in the future as well. First of all, after that previous bullish shark pattern, I just want to show you this move of the Bitcoin Cash, that it is moving within a wedge. And this is the moon phases indicator, and this is the full moon, and you can see this is the dark moon. And the distance between the one full moon to another full moon and from one dark moon to another dark moon is called a synodic period that is 29 days long, 29.5 days long. So the distance between one full moon to another full moon is 29.5 candlesticks, you can say. Now we can see that the full moon is appeared a little bit down inside the resistance of this wedge pattern, and we can also see that the dark moon is appeared outside of this support or beyond this support of this wedge pattern. That is a bearish signal, and we can see that it is predicting that the movement of the price action, the upward movement of the price action, can be up to this level of this full moon, and it can be dropped from here. As we can also see that the Bollinger Band, the upper bands of the Bollinger Band is inside the resistance of this wedge. Therefore, this is another resistance within this resistance of this falling wedge. And this dark moon is appeared below the support of this wedge. Therefore, it is a bearish signal. It is predicting that maybe the price line will try to break down this support. However, if I place the volume profile indicator on the complete price action moving within this wedge pattern, this is a very important indicator. I always try to use this indicator whenever I find any pattern. I'm just placing this volume profile. Then it will tell us that where the traders are interested to trade. I'm just placing this volume indicator on the complete price action within this falling wedge, and we can see that this is the level where the traders are interested to trade up to this level, and that is almost at $225. And if we see this level, then it is up to $255. So this is the level where the price action at this time is moving, where the trader's interest is really very weak. Therefore, there are chances that the price action will drop another time to retest the support of this wedge. And if we want this balance of power indicator, then we can see that the balance is equally distributed between the bears and bulls as well. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 very obvious bearish moves, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 very obvious bullish moves by the balance of power indicator. Now we can expect after this very obvious move, it can again drop another time to this level for the 7th time, and after that it will be moved up, and definitely the price action will be also dropped down with the balance of power indicator as well, and after that it can again make another attempt to break out the resistance of this wedge. And if we watch on the same daily chart this harmonic move, then we can easily observe that the price action is continuously and consistently forming different bats. For example, here the price action formed a bearish bat, and definitely after the completion of the bearish bat, the price action is supposed to move down, and the price action dropped down after that. And with that, the price action also formed another bullish bat and took another powerful bullish divergence. And finally, now the price action has again formed another bearish bat. This is the initial leg, X to A. Then A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci level. I have just ignored this some extra spike. Then we can see that the price action is projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. And now finally the price action has retraced between 0.786 to 0.886 Fibonacci level. So here we have a complete bearish bat formation or pattern, and from here the price action can drop another time. However, that drop can be a correction rally, and after that the price action can again turn bullish, like it was turned here. After it dropped, it was turned bullish from here. Now if we watch the different support and resistance levels, then after taking bounce from the support level of $147, the price action broke out the $220 resistance level and retested the previous resistance as a support. It has made another attempt to break out this next resistance of $260, but could not break out this resistance level and dropped down again and took another bounce from the $220 support. And here the price action has made several attempts to break out this $260 resistance, but again dropped down and made another attempt and again dropped down. So this is a very perfect and firm support of $220 just below the price action, and this is also a very firm resistance for the price line of $260. Once this resistance level will be broken out, then we have the next resistance level at $304, then $355, and the final and the key level resistance would be at $501. Once it will be broken out, then the price action can very soon reach to the previous highest price ever in the history of the Bitcoin Cash, and it can make another attempt to break out the previous highest price that was around $4,500. However, at this time the price action is not able to break out the $260 resistance so far. And this is the basic reason, therefore the price line is also not able to break out the resistance level of the wedge and also the $260 resistance, because we have a 200 simple moving average resistance above the price line. We can see that whenever the price line is moving up, it is not able to break out this 200 simple moving average, and after hitting this resistance of 200 SMA, the price action is again dropping down. And at this time the price action, after hitting the spike on this 200 simple moving average, is likely to move down. But this time, after a long time period, we can see the price line, we can see after 10th of March, since the price line moved down from this 100 simple moving average, this is for the first time the price line has crossed up the 100 simple moving average again. Now we have the resistance, the support of 100 simple moving average just below the price line, and the 200 simple moving average resistance above the price action. And if we watch this Ichimoku cloud on this weekly chart, we can see that the price action is not able to cross up this cloud so far, even after the several attempts and for the long time period. But at this time, the lagging span of the Ichimoku cloud is trying to cross up the candlesticks. That is the first bullish signal. After that, we need the bull cross between the conversion line. This blue one should cross up this brown color baseline. That will be the second bullish signal, and after that the cloud will be turned bullish and it will be turned in green color. But so far we can see that there is a distance between the price line and the Ichimoku cloud. The cloud is almost at $325, and at this time the price action is moving at $254. Therefore, in order to break out this cloud, we need the breakout from the resistance of this wedge and from the resistance of this 200 moving average as well, and also from the resistance level of $260, then $304. After that, we can expect that the price action will cross up this cloud, and once the price line will be able to cross up this cloud, then definitely it will have a very strong support of this Ichimoku cloud that will help the price action to start a very long-term parabolic bullish move. And if we want the directional movement, then we can see that so far the positive directional indicator 1 has crossed up the negative, the orange one, directional indicator. That is the first bullish signal by the directional movement. That is very good and positive signal. But so far we can see that ADX is down. We need the ADX to move up. That will show the power of bulls, and after that we can expect a very powerful bullish divergence. Now finally, I want to show you this very big bullish garlic pattern that I posted on 6th of May. And after a strong bearish move in the month of March, we can see that the price action has completed the final leg of this bullish garlic pattern, that same as the Bitcoin and other top currencies formed the different harmonic patterns. And here we can see that even the price action spiked beyond this potential reversal zone, but in the very next candlestick, it was retraced back in this PRZ level. Now, as per Fibonacci projection, Fibonacci sequence of this bullish garlic pattern, the price action need to move up from here, and it should enter in this point 382 to 0.786 Fibonacci level. I'm just playing this chart. Now you can see that the price line is moving sideways just above this potential reversal zone. So it will turn more bullish, and we will see a sequence of bullish candlesticks like we have witnessed in the chart of the Bitcoin, that we have witnessed the series of the candlesticks that leaded the price line of the Bitcoin from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci level. Same as like that, it will be entered here, and once it will cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci level, then it can turn very, very strong bullish for the long-term time period chart, and it can even achieve more than $4,500 in that situation once it will be able to cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci projection resistance. So this was the update so far by the Bitcoin Cash. If I'll have more updates, I will definitely share with you. On the short term, I'm expecting that there will be a little bit drop or a correction rally, but on the long term, it will turn very strong bullish as it has formed this very big bullish garlic pattern. So if you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel, and do share my videos as well. Take care. Goodbye.